Phanom Sawai.
Phanom means mountain.
In 200 meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Slow down. Oh, he's cool.
See that big entrance in front of us?
Oh, yeah.
Closed.
They open here.
Oh, it's because you got to go in and pay. So we turn.
Oh yeah, 20 baht.
So just go
You
around?
can go, yeah, you go inside. There are a lot of things to here. They have, you know, Kuan Im, huh? Kuan Im and the famous monk that passed away, Phra Yai. Slow down. And it's big, honey. Phra Yai toilet.
Oh, look at that.
That's a flower.
Yeah, the pond's got flowers growing.
Yeah, lotus flower. They say.
Lotus?
Yeah, lotus flower.
Good day, everybody. Today we're bringing you to Phanom Sawai National Park. It's located in the Tamban Nabur and Tamban Sawai National Sanctuary. It looks like there's 3 peaks in a row. The first peak that we're going to take you to is known as Phanom Prao or Khao Chai, which is 220 meters high, and it's where the Phra Yai, which is the Phra Yai, a large white Buddha image in a posture of giving blessings with white eye decorated with mother of pearl shell. The black eye is made of brass alloy and black bronze casting. The image sits cross-legged in a base that has a lotus facing both upside down and upwards. There are stairs from the hill leading up to the Buddha image, and the area behind the Buddha image is also a viewpoint of a high angle of the Phanom Sawai National Forest Park. We'll show you all of this. This is the only one that we went to, actually stopped off on this trip.
Statue of the remain Luang Pudun is very famous. Luang
Just
Pudun.
have a look with our camcorder. As Jai says, it's too big for us to get out and walk everywhere. It takes too long, so we're going to drive it.
Yeah.
And walk where we think we need. Oh, there's the one. That's the one we walked up to.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, shots.
From here.
No,
Not from here.
where are you gonna see?
I don't know. We'll find a better place for it.
No, like this is very good.
Okay, we parked in this area here and walked up these steps.
Slowly read first. พระพุทธรูปสุรินทร์มงคล พระพุทธรูปองค์ดำ เขาชายพรหมเปาะบิ๊ก บิ๊กเดียว
Okay, this is going to go out now, so.
ค่ะ ตอนนี้เรากำลังจะขึ้นเขานะคะ มีระฆังเยอะเลย ห้ามใช้หินเคาะระฆัง มีระฆังทั้ง 2 เห็นไหมคะ ระฆังทั้ง 2 ข้างทางนี้นะคะ บันไดสูงชันมากเลยเป็นที่ออกกำลังกาย เดินชม ความสวยงามเห็นระฆังไหมคะเพื่อนๆทั้งสองข้างทางมีที่พักด้วยโอ้โหสวยงามจริงๆ
Okay, Jai.
พระพุทธสุรินทร์มงคล
Tell us what this is.
พระพุทธสุรินทร์มงคลองค์จำลองนะคะคือ
These are short little choppy steps.
very beautiful huh I don't see anywhere that they tell how many steps. I just know that they have like the bell, 1080 bells, both sides. Huh?
Sorry, can you watch the steps and
Yeah, be careful walking, baby. Very good exercise. Huh?
oh my goodness.
And how you gonna come back?
So many steps here. I'm already breathing hard. So you've got a long way to go.
Yeah. Breathe hard.
So this is testing our conditioning. Right now we've been last couple of months doing nothing. Post surgery doing nothing. Pre-surgery. So this is getting going already.
I think it's very good that we didn't make a decision to go to the Surin Park in the morning.
We almost went and did our exercise this morning before we came out. It was a good idea that we didn't.
It's so beautiful. We are on the mountain, huh?
Yeah, it's a good idea that we didn't go exercising. 'Cause this is plenty.
You walk back, you turn back, honey. You see that? So beautiful.
Oh my Lord.
How far it is? It's still more.
I would say,
Go more.
I don't know if you go far. Oh yeah, you go farther than this too.
I have to hold this. Walking. Oh my God.
I think this actually goes all the way up to a big Buddha that's on top of the hill.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's
Oh yes. The Buddha.
oh, mercy.
Oh,
A rest area for
for old people.
got a rest area here.
Yeah.
So close, I think I'll just float around.
Wow. Wow, Bobby. So beautiful. Turn around, baby.
Let's see if they're doing renovations on it.
สวยงามมากเลยค่ะเพื่อน
We walked so many steps just to get up here to see this Buddha monument. It's huge. It's really tall. And we just happened to get here when they're doing a reconstruction. So that's kind of the way we roll. Let's share everything that's getting redone. Hopefully we can come back again after they're done and do it again. But the steps coming up here kicked my butt. This pretty recent surgery I had makes this a little difficult for me. To show you now the steps coming up to here and all the bells. There's 1,080 bells on location here, and we don't have anything to ring bells. I wanted to hear them. Last time it came up, I had something, a nail or something. I think it was probably 5-6 years ago the last time we were here.
But now is nothing.
Oh, really?
The green.
Volcanic lava?
Yeah, volcanic lava.
Wow.
There. But it's how many million years?
Yeah. I gave up on my wireless mic. It kept shutting off on me. So I didn't know what I was recording or what I wasn't. That was the easy part of the steps. Now we get to the hard part. Well, actually, we're going down, so it's not nearly as hard as it was when we came up. But this part here was I don't know if it's easy to see on the video right now, but it's kind of a steep climb. It looks like a lot of the railing and stuff on the sides here have been recently repainted. These bells all look like they're brass. Using my wedding ring. Sawai cup. Sawai cup. They don't want to waste any energy talking going upstairs. Taking the steps through. It's a good thing it's an overcast day today. It's not exceptionally hot. I think it's like 31, 32 C. But I'm still pouring sweat. Going downhill now. Uh-oh. I lost the other half up there. She's dancing. Taking it easy. You see that people are grabbing the rails on the side, helping walk up. It's a tough climb. I'm surprised I made it as easy as I did. Yeah, it's a good thing we skipped our exercise this morning because this was plenty. I actually do have the gimbal and my phone. They both are pretty stable, so hopefully I'm not bouncing them to death. Got the last 6 steps here. I'm guessing it's 6. Whew. Wow, I made it. I made it, and my lovely wife is bringing up the tail end. Quite a climb. So everybody, if you like this content, please reach down to the bottom down here, mash that like and subscribe. It helps our channel, helps with the algorithm. We'd appreciate your support. Thank you very much for joining us. This is Bobby and Jai up there. We're out.
It's only one mountain, honey.
I know it's one mountain.